Course is overall a great course, lots of great hands-on experience, and the instructors are very informative.
That's been great. It's top notch. Learned some new techniques, and the facility is great. Everything seems brand new.
I really liked just how thorough everything was. I have a little bit of rope experience, but this kind of really opened my eyes in terms of the standard.
Very professional. Everything laid out nice, clean. Really great experience.
I've taken fall protection with my union, the old union that I was with before, in another past position, and this one was far more informative.
The equipment we're using, the equipment we're going to use on our job sites. So very realistic, very practical training.
Great, yeah. Seems to have lots of experience on the ropes, and knows a lot about the rescues. Was showing us some new techniques, like I said, and he really knows his stuff. So
The instructor is really patient and really makes sure that you have everything dialed before he, lets you go and do your evaluation.
Steve was really good, very helpful. Took the time to teach us right, and the course was great, well laid out.
The instructor was great. Charles was great. He was did a phenomenal job. The training facility is top notch. Definitely far more than I've ever received in any other training program.
Professionally taught by someone with a significant amount of experience. The facilities were in excellent condition, excellent shape.
100% I would recommend this course. It's probably one of the best courses I've been on.
yeah, for sure. I would definitely do that.
Yeah, I'd recommend it to anybody who wants to get into rope access or any other job site safety training.
I would definitely recommend Kee Safety, yes.
I would definitely recommend Kee Safety to colleagues, friends.
Yeah, we traveled a significant distance to come to this site. We're definitely satisfied that we came here, and certainly would recommend this facility and these instructors.